In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable camera preserve night mode setting on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there scroll all the way down until you find camera option, get into it, and there hit preserve settings. Now there you get night mode, it's disabled by default, and if you enable it you will be able to preserve the night mode setting rather than automatically resetting night mode to auto. So now you can open up your camera. Here you see that night mode is now active. That is icon of the night mode. It's kind of moon icon. And now you can hit on that icon to bring up that settings. And there you can basically switch between three settings. You can set night mode to auto, you can set it to off, turn off the night mode, or you can set it to max. And now this setting will be preserved. So guys, that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.